In this short video series, we're going to cover how to make money online with freelancing. And we're going to show you some real strategies you can use to start making a real income on the internet. And we're going to start with a brief overview of freelancing. And again, throughout this video, you're going to learn how to make freelancing a profitable business model for yourself. And it's a great way to generate side income for yourself. It's a great way to supplement affiliate marketing income. Whatever the case might be for you, freelancing is a fabulous way to earn a living on the internet. There's so many different methods you can use right now to start earning income as a freelancer. No matter how little money you have in your bank or how much money you have in your bank, you can start earning an income with freelancing right away. And we're going to try to show you how to tap into the different opportunities waiting for you related to freelancing. Basically, with freelancing is you're just providing services for other business owners. Now, when I say business owners, this would include internet business owners. So with freelancing, you're just providing a basic service for business owners. And we're going to cover what those services might be that you can offer people. And every single day, more and more hundreds of people are turning to the internet to start businesses online, and they need people like you to help them. And so they're looking for people like you to help them with writing or graphics or whatever the case might be. There are people looking for it. It's what's so great about freelancing, like I mentioned, it's a proven effective strategy for earning money online in even down times. When times are even rough, there's still plenty of money to be made with freelancing online. It's very simple to do and implement, and they're basic tasks that you do pretty much every day, no matter how new you are on the internet. Some of these tasks are very simple, even very repetitive tasks that you can do to start making money with freelancing. All it takes to start making a successful side income or successful income overall online, or even a full-time income with freelancing, is focus and action. That's all it takes to succeed as a freelancer online. If you can focus your attention on the projects that you get and then take action again on those projects and do good work for people, you will get more business than you can handle. You have plenty of referrals, and the key part is finishing projects on time. That's very important aspect of freelancing. I'm going to cover here some types of freelancing work. One of the most common forms and simplest forms that really anybody can do, no matter if you can type or not, because you can actually speak what you're actually wanting to say. So even if you cannot type or aren't a good typer, then you can actually use a program called Dragon Naturally Speaking, and you can talk just like I'm talking. To record this, you can talk the article basically, and it will bring the article onto your screen. It will convert your words, your audio, to text on your screen within your Word document, and then you can go in and modify that text, and you can write articles rather quickly doing that strategy alone. There's some different forms of writing that you can do. It's the most common form of freelancing, like I mentioned, and it includes writing different things like ebooks. And so when you're writing ebooks, basically you're writing an entire ebook for somebody. So it could be, a 20-page ebook, a 30-page ebook, or even a 100-page ebook. And what's so great about when you're writing ebooks is that you can make a great income with ebook writing. You could easily make, anywhere from $150, $200 plus up to $1,000, or quite a bit more just by writing. And so that's very powerful right there, is that you could write entire ebooks for people, and you could get a project that could pay you a quick $500 that you could use, or a quick $250, whatever the case might be. And when you're writing your ebooks, what that would consist of is just, creating the outline for what they need, taking the information they give you, and most of the time they'll give you the outline. It's your job to just do a little research and turn it into words and make it sing and make the good content. So you could be a ghostwriter for ebooks. Many of the ebooks you see and you buy in various niches, even internet marketing niche, they are written by ghostwriters that actually did the research, and marketers are very busy and they will outsource to you to actually create ebooks for you. So if you can type, if you're halfway good at researching, and even if you cannot type and you want to talk the whole ebook, talk the content that you've researched and found into a headset microphone, then you can create entire ebooks. The next thing is very common is articles. There are so many marketers that need articles. Marketers need articles to submit to article directories. They need articles to add fresh, unique content to their website. They need articles for their blogs. They might need articles for offline magazines. And if you're doing articles, ghostwriting articles for people that are doing them offline, you can make quite a bit more. Typically, when you're writing articles online, you could charge anywhere from $5 to $10 plus per article. I've seen $15 in some cases. When you're dealing with even offline clients, I've actually seen them say they were willing to pay $50 to $75 for just a standard 400 or 500 word article. And basically, you don't have to be an expert in these articles. You could find, for example, let's say you run into somebody that owns a private label rights membership and they need articles written on the topic of weight loss. And you may not be a weight loss expert, but there is so much information on the internet about weight loss or other niche markets, bird watching, golf, whatever the niche might be. There's so much information on those niches online that you can scour the internet and come up with enough research to write articles and appear to be an expert in nearly any niche for your client, potentially. So don't let that hold you back, that you may think, well, I don't know enough about article marketing to be effective. And you can be an effective article writer if you just know how to research on the internet and use Google, Yahoo, or MSN, whatever your favorite search engine is, and research the data. You can succeed with affiliate marketing that way. Another way is writing press releases. Businesses will take press releases and they will actually allow you to submit them online for them. Press releases are basically newsworthy stories that basically have a newsworthy angle. So a business, for example, could announce that they just launched a new website. They launched a new division of their business. Maybe they've come out with a new ebook. So there's internet marketers that will all the time look to different they need press releases written for promoting their business. You could also write short blog posts, 250 to 300 word blog posts, rather short, and basically they're just used to, as far as in blogging, and marketers will buy packages of blog posts for you so that they can keep their blog fresh and updated. People might need you to write sales pages for them. Copywriting, that is an art in itself. That's an entire art. But if you can become good at copywriting, you can charge $1,000 to $10,000 plus for sales letters. I've seen that happen. You could charge, $500 lower cost sales letters. If you can make stuff sell with words, you could write sales pages for people. And the next thing you can do as far as writing is transcribing services. So you could take an audio like the one I'm recording right now, and you could actually sit there and type it out, everything I'm saying, and you could transcribe that for people, and you can make a nice income doing transcription. And so I'm going to show you on the next slide, we're going to cover some more freelancing things, and we're going to cover that in another video.